How to use one WhatsApp in two phones, without scan and without OTP. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the same WhatsApp account on two different phones. Alright, let's start. First of all, open WhatsApp on your main phone. Now, look at the top right corner, tap on the three-dot menu. From here, choose Link Devices. On the next page, you'll see a button called Link a Device. Tap on that, and then click Continue. At this point, your phone camera will open, ready to scan a QR code. But wait, don't scan. At the bottom, you'll find an option that says Link with phone number instead. Just tap on that. Now, it will ask you to enter a code. Stay on this screen, and now pick up your second phone. On the second phone, open the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type web.whatsapp.com and hit enter. This will open the official WhatsApp web page. Here, it normally shows a QR code for scanning, but instead, if you look at the bottom, you'll also see the option Link with phone number. Tap on that. On the next page, you'll see a text box asking for a phone number. Here, enter the phone number of the WhatsApp account from your first phone. Once you type in the number, tap the next button. Now, it will display an 8-digit code on the second phone screen. Go back to the first phone. Remember, it was asking for a code. Here, type the 8-digit code shown on the second phone. After you enter the code, it will start logging in. Just wait a few seconds while it verifies and loads. And boom! Your WhatsApp account is now open on the second phone, without any QR scan and without OTP. This method is especially useful for people who are far from each other, but still want to share and use one WhatsApp account.